Hi students, welcome to mathematics class. Today we are going to continue previous chapter, that is the coordinate geometry. Yesterday we solved some problems in exercise 7.4. Today we are going to solve some example problems. That is the first one. Find the value of b. Find the value of b for which the points are a1 to b minus 1 b. This is a b. And c minus 3 minus 4. So which points are collinear points. Whose points are collinear and whose points a1 to b minus 1b, c minus 3 minus 4. So given points are which points? Collinear points. So what is the collinear points? 2 or 3 points lying on a same line, then they are we call as a collinear point. So this is a b c. Now we know the area of triangle is 0. The area of the triangle is 0. Then given points are collinear. And also we are showed this slide, given points are collinear. That is the slope of AB is equal to the slope of BC. The slope of AB is equal to the slope of BC. Now given points are a equal to 1 to b equal to minus 1b, c equal to minus 3 minus 4. So value of slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. We know what is the slope of 2 points, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So slope is we are denoted by the letter m, that is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Now slope of AB. So this is the x1 y1, this is the x2 y2. So that is the slope of AB is a y2 minus y1, that is a b minus 2 by x2 minus x1, that is a minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus x1 is a 1. That is equal to next slope of BC. Slope of BC. So it is a x1 y1, this is a x2 y2. So slope is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So that is a y2 is a minus 4 minus y1 is a b by x2 minus x1, x2 is a minus 3 minus x1 is a minus 1. So b minus 2. So 1 having the both are having the same sign, then we will do the addition, that is a 2, but we put the minus sign, that is equal to minus 4 minus b by minus 3, minus into minus plus, that is a minus 3 plus 1. So minus 3 plus 1 is a minus 2. So minus 3 minus into minus is a plus 1. Now in both sides denominator is same, that is a minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2, we will do the cancel. So remaining is a b minus 2 is equal to minus 4 minus b. So here minus b, this is a negative quantity. Negative quantity we will send to LHS. Negative quantity we will transposing to LHS. We will get a positive quantity, that is a b plus b is equal to minus 4. It is a minus 2 is a negative quantity. We will send to other side, we will get a positive quantity. Therefore b plus b is a 2b. That is equal to minus 4 plus 2 is a minus 2. b is equal to minus 2 by 2, that is equal to minus 1. So 2 1 ja 2 1 ja. Therefore what is the value of b? That is a minus 1. Next problem. Now if the points A 61, B 82, C 94 and D P3 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find the value of P. Find the value of P. So here given points are formed which which one? That is a parallelogram. Now in this parallelogram diagonals are bisect each other. In a parallelogram diagonals are bisect each other. So this is the bisect point. So O is the will divide the two equal parts of BD, that is the BO is equal to DO. So here O is the midpoint of BD and also AO is equal to OC. So here O is the midpoint of AC. Therefore, so the midpoint of BD and the midpoint of AC is a O. So here the midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. Midpoint of BD. So we know the what is the midpoint of 2 points? That is the x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So midpoint of AC, midpoint of AC, in this it is x1 y1, it is the x2 y2. So that is the 6 plus 9 by 2, 1 plus 4 by 2, that is equal to midpoint of BD. So in this it is the x1 y1, it is the x2 y2, that is the 8 plus p by 2, 8 plus p by 2 and 2 plus 3 by 2, 2 plus 3 by 2. So 6 plus 9 is a 15, 15 by 2, 1 plus 4 is a 5, 5 by 2 is equal to 8 plus p is a 8 plus p by 2, 2 plus 3 that is a 5 by 2. Now we are taking the x, we are equating the x and y coordinates. So that is a 15 by 2 and 8 plus p by 2, 5 by 2 and 5 by 2 y coordinates are equal. So here we are finding p value. So here we are equating the x coordinates, that is a 15 by 2 is equal to 8 plus p by 2. So both side denominator is 2, denominator is cancelled. Then 15 is equal to 8 plus p, that is a p is equal to plus 8, you will send other side, you will get a minus 8. So therefore 15 minus 8 is a 7. So therefore p value is equal to how much? 7. What is the value of p? 7. Now in this chapter we have learnt distance between 2 points AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, and also distance between from origin to a point, from origin to a point, that is OP is equal to square root of x square plus y square. Midpoint of 2 points is a x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, and also center of a triangle G is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, and a line. What are the coordinates of points which divides a line segment in the ratio m1 is to m2 in internally? That is a section formula. P is equal to, the coordinates of P is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Now we know the vertices of a triangle. Then area of the triangle A is equal to 1 by 2 into modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, and also by Heron's formula, that is the area of the triangle A is equal to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is a plus b plus c by 2, and also slope of any 2 points, that is the m is equal to, or tan theta is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So this is also we are represented by tan theta. slope of 2 points. Okay, right.